Hi and welcome to DIY Secrets bonus number 2, how to get noticed on streaming sites. This is a bonus thing. If you do it, it's gonna add on to everything that you do, but it's not absolutely necessary, but it really is important for today's musician. Because today, consumers of music have ever increasing and easy options to find and consume music. Whether that's Spotify, Amazon, or even Pandora Radio, there's really no limit to the options that consumers have to find music. To grow your audience, this is a channel or an avenue that should not be ignored. For many musicians, distribution to the masses was a huge barrier before when everything was related to physical copies. Now with the internet, we're in a place where the music can be pushed to the market within minutes and heard by everyone. Most music distributors, whether they're a single or a third-party aggregator, will have options for the platforms that you want to be posted on. I've talked about in other secrets how to get on DistroKid, but SoundCloud and Audiomack are both fine options, fine services with free options that are available for you to post your music. Now on SoundCloud, you are able to distribute your music to other platforms if you get a Pro Unlimited package. Audiomack is similar. If you pay for it, you can get a wider distribution. But the free option is there for artists that are just beginning, that want to have music recorded and online somewhere where you don't have to pay a monthly fee to just be online. When you're uploading music, it's recommended that you upload at least 2 to 4 weeks before your release date. Now, if you can't hide the fact that you're uploading, wait until the night before. But with the third-party aggregators especially, you really want to upload that 2 to 4 weeks ahead of time so that it's already up and available on Apple Music, on Spotify, on all of the other ones, Amazon, when people go to look for it and when you tell people to go to look for it. Also, music can get disapproved. So if your music gets disapproved or the artwork gets disapproved, you want to have some time to be able to take it down, rework the files, put up a new file, and get it approved in enough time where when you release it, it's available to the public. Most streaming services, as you know, pay out on the number of streams. This is really not what you're going for. Unless you're in the millions of streams, you're not gonna make a ton of money from streaming. But what you wanna do is have it available so that people anywhere in the world can find your music. Once you're up on the streaming sites, make sure your audience knows that you're on those sites. If you just upload and they don't know, chances are they're not gonna find it. You have to tell people that you've uploaded your music and to go listen to it. It's just as simple as that. If you wanna go a step further, you can create landing pages for your streaming sites. What you do is create a landing page either through ClickFunnels or one of the other services that's out there to help you build a landing page, and then you link your music from Spotify or Apple Music or wherever it is to your landing page. Use a headline and a video on your social media, link to your landing page, and now you can kind of use that as an EPK. You can direct people to multiple different places from the landing page instead of just going to Spotify or just going to Apple Music. They can go to your landing page and see that you're in multiple places, see more videos, and those types of things. But you want to be on the streaming sites before you even get that landing page, because you want to be able to direct people to your music. Also, you want to be able to direct people to your music where you'll get royalties from your songs getting played. Most streaming platforms have a profile that you can fill out. I highly suggest doing that, because when people find your music on those platforms, they're probably going to look at your profile if they like you. Even if not, anybody that's trying to book you or people in the industry looking through your presence on the internet are going to look at your profile. So go ahead and fill it out, get a nice picture in there, optimize each profile that you have on any streaming site. Playlists have become a much larger part of the ecosystem for streaming. Getting on one organically is best, but if you have to reach out to people that have popular playlists and remind them on a regular basis, hey, I have this music, would you like to listen to it? Or maybe have some sort of incentive, whether that's building something for their audience or whatever they need, you should help serve them first and then ask them to put you on their playlist. A few tips here. Don't pay for playlist placement. Trust me, don't pay for it. It's not worth it. Research which playlists are best for you and your style of music. Develop a relationship with the people that are curating the playlists. You're more likely to get put on a playlist if you're developing a relationship with the person that curates it. And with that, that's how to get noticed on streaming sites. I'm Darian Wigfall. I hope you enjoyed this program. We're probably gonna come back with a bunch more bonuses. This is just number 2, and I'll see you on the other side for DIY podcasting if you're into that.